One of my favorite stories to share with people when they ask me about client results and case studies and testimonials and success stories is my student, Justin Monsanto right here. So he came to me as a college student. I think he was 19 years old at the time. And he obviously knew about Instagram marketing. And he wanted to help businesses in New York, where he lived, use Instagram to get more clients, more customers, etc. And he took my advice. He wrote this little book on Instagram marketing. That's him right there. And he was able to earn thousands and thousands of dollars from this book as a college student with almost zero investment. He just followed my steps, took my advice, earned thousands of dollars from a book. And here he is, a college student. He's probably 21 years old now, already a published author, already viewed as a thought leader on Instagram marketing. The sky's the limit for him. He can start an agency, which he's done. He's attracted clients for himself. He is a unique thought leader in the industry from this little tiny book, maybe a 70, 75, 80 page book that he wrote in a matter of weeks. Now, when people ask me, what kind of results, what kind of case studies do you have, what kind of results and success can I expect? I just point them to him, a college student, writing a book on something that he is passionate about, turn that into a business that's now a full-fledged business where clients are coming to him, viewing him as an expert, seeking out his help and his services. So you don't need to look further than that. The case for writing a book is so simple and is so obvious that I don't even need to talk about it much. All I'm going to do is talk to you about my approach, which is, again, to launch the book like a tech startup where we want to focus on the marketing, the outreach, and the promotion before you ever write it. Before you write a single word, I want you to do the outreach, the promotion, and the marketing. And I have three main techniques that I use that make it so simple and so easy to attract clients to you that view you as an authority. And the beauty of it is that once you know what you're doing, you can start automating it. You can start delegating it to virtual assistants like I do. And you can use AI to make the entire process hands-off. So check the link in the first comment below so you can learn more about the process. But again, for anyone who wants to see a success story, check out this book on Amazon. It doesn't matter what the reviews are like. He's had good reviews, he's had bad reviews, but the proof is in the pudding. People are hiring him. He's making thousands of dollars in passive royalties from a book on Amazon that he's written. And he's attracting clients to himself that he can use to sell his Instagram marketing agency services to. So check the link below. If you see this video, please do comment, like, and share it. It obviously helps with the algorithm, and I'm going to show you more case studies of successful clients who have done this. But again, this is a college kid. If he can do it, there's no reason you can't do it. Click the link in the comment below. Check out my process, schedule a time to talk, and I'll talk to you soon.